Hey physics people, it's day 2 of working on my electron drift simulation in Python. So I changed a couple things today. One of them is every time an electron runs into one of these copper atoms, it's going to lose 5% of its energy. So the way I had it before was 100% energy conserving or elastic collisions. And so the electron speed just kept getting higher and higher as it drifted up the electric field. So that's no longer an issue. The second thing is that we're now spawning one free electron per copper atom. So we're starting to really see how these things are going to behave as a group. Now, one interesting thing to notice here is I have the electrons actually crashing into the other electrons, and I'm not sure that's the most accurate way to model it if I am trying to get a realistic drift velocity simulation. So I'm also going to try electrons that are transparent to each other. And then the most obvious thing that has to be improved here is I need to spawn a bunch of electrons off to the left of the screen so we have a continuous supply of new electrons coming in so we can achieve a steady state current. As it is, all these guys are just going to wander off the right end of the screen and then the simulation is over. So hopefully I have a minute to make a few more improvements next weekend, and I'll see you then.